RafaLife Bath Toys, Faucet Extender, Animal Spout by RafaLife is one of the best sellers among baby bathroom safety products. 2. Pack Set, Duck and Elephant, very simple assembly suitable for faucets with round rim. There is a picture for illustration. Encourage personal hygiene. These adorable faucet extenders for kids create a fun and inviting cleanup experience for small children. Helps reduce a child's anxiety. The friendly, relaxing look of the animals paired with the soft, gentle release of water makes even the most anxious of children more at ease with using the sink. Mess-free hand washing. Kid-friendly sink spout extenders allow your youngster to wash more independently without creating a huge wet and soggy mess in your bathroom. Conserves water. Easy to install spout extenders reduce water pressure and direct a gentle flow of water directly to your child's hands, allowing them to wash with no mess. A safe and durable. Made to last from high-grade quality plastics and silicone, these vibrant pourers are BPA, PVC and phthalate-free. Buy with confidence. To bring home the manufacturer's must-have children's animal water faucet extenders.